Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Honda Accord steering wheel. This common issue can be frustrating, but it's usually a simple fix. The steering wheel locks as a security feature, preventing theft when the car is off. Don't worry, you won't need any special tools, just your car key. Let's get started with the first easy steps to get you back on the road quickly and safely. Now, let's get to the core of unlocking it. First, insert your car key fully into the ignition. Next, gently but firmly rock the steering wheel from side to side. As you rock the wheel, apply slight turning pressure to the key in the ignition. You should feel the lock release, allowing the key to turn freely to the on position. This method works because it relieves pressure on the locking pin. Sometimes, the steering wheel can be a bit stubborn. If the key doesn't turn immediately, double-check that it's fully inserted into the ignition. You might need to apply a bit more force when rocking the wheel, but avoid excessive jerking. The goal is to relieve the pressure on the locking mechanism. Keep trying the rocking and turning motion. It often takes a few attempts to find the sweet spot and release the lock. To prevent your steering wheel from locking again, try to avoid turning it after you've removed the key from the ignition. The lock engages when pressure is put on the wheel without the key in place. Always ensure your car is in park before turning off the engine. This simple technique is a common solution for many vehicles, not just Honda Accords, and will save you time and frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.